Hello there. Bleaching is pretty fun and enjoyable job. The whole process doesn't take super long. It's just one day process. I got here 2 containers, and using your old method, which is known as bleach cream, I guess that's how you call it, bleach cream, you're gonna spend like maybe at least 1 month to bleach 10 kilos of hair. Whereas in here, using these containers, I will spend only 1 day, 1 full day. So I really advise you to take this course. The course is not super hard. You just need to follow some steps. Let me just show you this, what is going on in here. I will give you the exact weight and proportions of each ingredient. So you will know how much of what is going into here. All these ingredients are available in all countries. Let me show you this. I guess it's not super hard. Once you know all these instructions, you can experiment with that. Bleaching half a kilo, then go with kilo, and then 5 kilo, and then 10 kilo, and then, you know, more and more. You may need all kinds of gloves, rubber gloves, cotton gloves. As you're watching in here right now, we're preparing the solution. You gotta be very careful of the chemicals that we use. They're very toxic. You would always be needing a So this is a plastic spoon. Try not to use metallic spoon. Well, I will explain you during the course what you gotta be using, what is recommended, what is not. As I told you, be very careful of these toxic chemicals. bleaching we use usually black hair. Please note, all the black hair it's a natural black. It's got no dyes on it. We put this fabric on the top of the black hair, so this preserves it from tangling. The fabric helps us to work easy, it makes our job much easier to work with the hair. So the fabric is very helpful. It's just a regular cloth, it's sold everywhere in the shop. There's nothing special with the fabric. But this hair is very special, by the way. Even though it's black hair, it bleaches very well. There are tons of hair in the world, it exists. Vietnamese hair, Chinese hair, Indian hair, Brazilian hair, Peruvian hair. And this hair is Southern Russian hair. Yes, it's from south of Russia. Well, yes, Southern Russia does have black hairs. Well, it's not pretty black as you can see it right under the light. It has slight brownish color. Well, I would say it's dark brown, very dark brown. So once we have our dark natural hairs inside the chemicals, push the hair so the solution covers it fully. You see the steam coming off? Yeah, that's good. That is good. That means we're doing everything correctly. Well, I've been doing this for many years now, and I want to teach you how to do your own blondes. Once you learn this process, I'm sure you will stop using your bleach cream. You see, this is much easier than doing a bleach cream. You put them in here, you push them inside the solution, and then you cover it and then wait. Wait time will be in the instructions. You can put all your hair into one container. There is no need to have several containers. However, I do my bleaching in several containers because I need to control hair, and also this contains hair from one client, and the other containers, they've got the hair from different clients. So you know exactly who sent you hair and which container's hair belongs to whom. Such a Russian hair, if you can see the color, it's light brown. I need this for making it into platinum. Such hair becomes platinum. Black hair becomes very light blonde, but this hair becomes platinum. So once you've got your hair in here, push them hardly, so the solution covers them and then steam is coming out. Yeah, man, look at this steam. Gosh, it's so smelly. So that's it now. Let's cover it and then wait. Enjoy it. See you later. So some few hours passed. Anyways, so a few hours passed. There are tons of things we did inside the in the bleaching, while the bleaching, during the bleaching. So let me show you what is the result by now. However, we can keep it longer to get even lighter colors, but I don't need, you know, lighter colors. I need these colors, which is enough. Yeah, there you go. Let me just show you. You see the color? Exactly. This is the light blonde. If you want something lighter, you can go ahead and then wait a few more other hours, and then you'll get even more lighter. So there are a lot of things behind the scenes which you would definitely need to learn, need to spend some time, read instructions, write down, watch the videos, and etc. And let me show you the second one as well. Yeah, there you go. How do you like it? If this is what you're looking for to learn, then phew, I'm sorry this is smelling so bad. So please sign up for the course of mine. And thank you so much for taking your time for watching these videos. Thank you. Bye.